Hi, it's Dave from Baking with Fox Hollow Kitchen. Join me today as I show you how to make chicken margherita, only on Baking with Fox Hollow Kitchen. Hello to all my Fox Hollow fam. I'm Dave and welcome to Baking with Fox Hollow Kitchen. Well, as I said at the top of the show, we're going to make chicken margherita. It's an easy recipe with very simple ingredients and you guys are going to love it. It's simple and fast and so good. So if you're ready, then let's have some fun. Okay, the first thing we're going to do with our chicken margherita is I'm going to take 2 chicken breasts that I've got here, fresh chicken breasts. We're going to pound them out until they're a little under an inch thick. And just use your wrist and pound them out like that. This will keep it cooking evenly and cook a little faster. Okay, I got that one. I'm going to take another one here and do the same thing with it. Okay, and then we're going to move on.
I see you got some spices here. Where are we going?
Yeah, very simple spices. We're going to take 2 tablespoons of oil, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and just some salt and pepper. Give it some salt and pepper here.
Okay.
And that's really it. Give it a good amount. And we're going to take our chicken breasts that I made and we're going to dump them in here. But first I want to stir this a little bit.
Yeah, that might help here a little
bit.
Get
the spices a little bit broken up. Yeah, that's good. That looks good. And then we're going to put our chickens in here and just slather them in this oil. Get that all over our chicken. That looks pretty good. The oil will keep it from sticking to the grill, and then you got all these spices on here to make it taste wonderful.
Awesome.
Okay,
awesome.
And then we're going to move on. Next I'm going to start getting our toppings ready because we won't have a lot of time on the grill. So I'm going to cut a lemon in half. We're just going to use half a lemon, probably just the juice from half a lemon. And then we're going to cut a bunch of cherry or grape tomatoes in half and throw them in a bowl here. Don't need a lot of them, like a 1/4 cup or so, 1/4 cup, 1/2 cup, something like that.
Now Dave, where does the name Chicken Margherita come from? Okay,
so Chicken Margherita is named after margherita pizza. Because it has the same toppings as margherita pizza.
Okay.
And margherita pizza in turn is named after Queen Margherita of Savoy, who liked her pizza to be topped with basil, tomatoes, and mozzarella.
Oh wow.
Which is the 3 representing the 3 colors of the Italian flag: red, white, and green.
Oh, awesome.
Okay, so that's where it comes from. That's our really complicated did you know fact for the day.
Well, at least it's something, right?
Yeah.
So, did you know?
I did not know that until recently.
Okay.
Okay, so I think we are good here with the tomatoes. I'm cutting like one more here. Okay, and then we're going to move on. Okay, so I got my tomatoes here. I am going to add just a squeeze of this lemon to top it with. That's plenty. There's a little seed in there. We'll get that out. And then sprinkle some basil on top. You can use a 1/4 cup of fresh basil chopped up, or just like a teaspoon or so of the dried basil, which is what I'm using. And we're just gonna get these all messed up in here. Maybe a little more basil than that.
Yeah, nothing wrong with a little extra basil. It's all in personal preference, right?
Yeah, it's all just what you prefer. And there you go, those are tomatoes for the topping.
Okay.
We're just going to set these aside and move on.
Okay. All right, Dave, I see we got our trusty griddle set up here.
Yes, our grill is ready to go on medium high. I'm going to take these 2 pieces of chicken and stick them on here. And we're going to grill these medium high for about 8 minutes until they are done. We'll close the lid here and let that go.
Okay, sounds great.
Okay, let's take a look. It's been 8 minutes. Our chicken is looking great here. That's my alarm going off. And our chicken is looking great with some big grill marks on there. I'm going to turn the grill off. And the next thing I'm going to do is throw down some mozzarella cheese on top. Some sliced mozzarella. And we're going to let that melt. I'll put a little more on here. And just let that melt on top. Okay, and that is it. The only thing we have left to do is plate our chicken. So I'm going to try to get one of these off of here. This is looking really good here. And we'll stick this on our plate. To that we're going to add some basil pesto on top. Don't be afraid to be generous with that. Throw it on there. And some of our tomatoes that we made earlier. And there you go. It's ready to eat. Well, now it's time for the best part, the taste test. I'm going to get a piece here with a piece of tomato. Yum. Oh, that chicken is so tender. It's so good. You guys are going to love it. Wrapping up today, I want to thank you all for joining us and encourage you to check out our friends and support channels listed in the description below. But before I go, always remember, it's good times and good food only on Baking with Foxholo Kitchen. We'll see you soon.
If you like this video or any of our other videos,
Be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and stay tuned for future shows.